Adverb. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that describe a verb. They tell us how, when, where, or how often something happens. For example, she sings. This tells us she sings, but we don't know how. She sings beautifully. Now we know how she sings. Adverbs make sentences more interesting and detailed. Examples of adverbs in sentences. Adverbs of manner. How? He runs quickly. If you find the verb first, it will be easy to find the adverb. Let's find the verb first. Verb is something you do. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Runs. Now find the adverb. How does he runs? Correct. Quickly. She speaks softly. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Speaks. Now find the adverb. How does she speak? Correct. Softly. They danced happily. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Danced. Now find the adverb. Correct. Happily. Adverbs of time when? I will go tomorrow. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Go. Now find the adverb. When? Correct. Tomorrow. We ate lunch early. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Ate. Now find the adverb. When? Correct. Early. She arrived late. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Arrived. Now find the adverb. When? Correct. Late. Adverbs of place. Where? Look here. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Look. Now find the adverb. Where? Correct. Here. The dog is sleeping outside. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Sleeping. Now find the adverb. Where? Correct. Outside. She searched everywhere. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Searched. Now find the adverb. Where? Correct. Everywhere. Adverbs of frequency. How often? I always brush my teeth. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Brush. Now find the adverb. How often? Correct. Always. We sometimes play outside. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Play. Now find the adverb. How often? Correct. Sometimes. She never eats spicy food. Let's find the verb first. What is the verb in this sentences? Correct. Eats. Now find the adverb. How often? Correct. Never. How to find an adverb. Many adverbs end in ly like quickly, happily, slowly, loudly. But some don't, like soon, often, here, there, never. Your turn. Can you describe how you walk using an adverb? Time to practice. Read the sentences and find the verb and adverbs. He always eats chocolate candy. Verb. Eats. Adverb. Always. She quickly runs to her friend. Verb. Runs. Adverb. Quickly. The dog barks loudly at the cat. Verb. Barks. Adverb. Loudly. The girl often plays at the park. Verb. Plays. Adverb. Often. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun English lessons. See you next time.